Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Cik Daud. My metric number is AF 180116 and this is my group member.
My name is Sharifah Nur Afika binti Said Azlan and my metric number is AF180092.
My name is Siti Nur Azianis binti Syed Hussein and my metric number AF180051.
My name is Nurul Atika binti Syahrul Nizam. My metric number is AF180215.
My name is Nur Najihah binti Muhammad Saidi and my metric number AF180162.
Hello, my name is Andrian Anna Anthony Lisette and my matrix number is CF160234.
Background of project. This project describes the application of numerical method in civil engineering areas by creating the problem statement. We agreed to use trapezoidal rules and Simpsons 1/3 rule in our project to find the area of cut and fill. The numerical method we will discuss first is called the trapezoidal rule. The area under a curve is evaluated by dividing the total area into little trapezoid. And as we know, trapezoid is a combination of rectangle and triangle. This is the equation of trapezoidal rules. H stands for length of the intervals and F stands for height of the offset. The second numerical method is the Simpsons 1/3 rule. Simpsons rule uses parabolas to approximate each part of the curve. This proved to be very efficient since it's generally more accurate than trapezoidal method. The minimum segment in trapezoidal rules is 1, while in Simpsons 1/3 rule is 2. It is important to note that Simpsons rule required an even number of division of the area, therefore the total number of ordinate must be odd. The equation of Simpsons 1/3 rule is as shown. Same as trapezoidal rule, H stands for length of the interval and F stands for height of the offset. Problem statement. Malaysia is a country which often hit by the flood disaster, especially during the monsoon season. Town drainage undeveloped in according as town increased, that can cause the occurrence of flood disaster. Flooding also occurred in Kampung Sungai Yap, Jerantut, one of the districts in the state of Pahang. This is the comparison of water level and monthly rainfall of station Sungai Yap. In this table, we can see the warning of water level in danger is 52, while the highest water level that can reach by Sungai Yap, Jerantut is 59.44. By construct drainage at that area, we can reduce the flood. Before construct drainage system, the area must be going through cut and fill process. The most important thing that need to be calculated in cut and fill process is the area. In our project, we will calculate the area by using trapezoidal rule and Simpsons rule. Objective study. The main objective of this study is first, to learn how to apply numerical method in civil engineering area. Second, to identify the area for cut and fill for construct draining system at Kampung Sungai Yap, Jerantut, Pahang.
Literature review. The importance of numerical method in civil engineering. Numerical methods provide a way to solve problems quickly and easily compared to analytical solution. Whether the goal is to integrate or solving complex differential equation, numerous tools are provided to reduce the problem of analytical mathematics to simple algebra. Next, excavation of cut and fill. Kampung Sungai Yap is one of the most frequently flooded areas in Pahang. To prevent further flooding in the area, construction of drainage is necessary. Before constructing drainage, cut and fill excavations should be done first. Cut and fill excavation is a method of constructing a roadway, a railway, or a canal in cut and fill with the sum of cuts matching approximately the quantity of fill required to create surrounding embankments, so that construction work has been minimized. Trapezoidal rule and Simpson rule are used in calculating the area of cut and fill excavation. Filler table. The first fact, decided to make a study about cut and fill excavation. The ideas, this problem is solving by using trapezoidal rule and Simpson's rule. The learning issues, find the area of cut and fill excavation, using equation of trapezoidal rule and Simpson's rule. The actions: understand the problem and conduct a literature study on cutting and filling excavation. Next, choose area of Kampung Sungai Yap, Pahang. The ideas: floods are often occur in this area. The learning issues: construct drainage to prevent flooding. The action: search information through website. Lastly, analyze the area that need to do cut and fill excavation. The ideas: use trapezoidal rule and Simpson's rule. The learning issues: how much area does it take to cut and fill? And the action: refer to the numerical integration topic.
For the methodology of this project, there are several working procedures that we have made, which is introduction, literature review, methodology. After that, we analyze the data and calculation, making discussion, and lastly, we conclude the project.
For calculation, we are going to calculate plan longitudinal profile from drainage 0 meter to 600 meter at Kampung Sungai Yap, Pahang. First of all, based on the picture, we can see that the interval is 100 meter and the offset is 55.9, 62.5, 63, 70, 74.5, 64.3 and 66. First of all, we're going to calculate mid-ordinate rule. Mid-ordinate rule is basically a offset in the same interval, and then we plus them together, divide by 2, and then from the picture we can get 6 mid-ordinate rule, and then we calculate for required area, the interval times with the all mid-ordinate rule, and we get 39,590 meters square. For average ordinate rule, basically we do the same as before, but we divide with 7, which is number of ordinates, and then we get 5,655.71 meters square. For trapezoidal rule, we use interval. The formula is interval divided by 2, and the first offset plus last offset plus 2 times with the middle offset, and based on that we can get 39,525 meters square. For Simpson rule, the interval divided by 3, and then the first offset plus with last offset plus 4 times with even offset plus 2 times with odd offset, and we get the required area is 39,470 meters square.
For discussion, one important aspect of roadway design is determining the amount of earthwork necessary on a project. The manual method for determining the earth excavation involves calculation of the area in cut and the area in fill. The area can be calculated by several methods such as trapezoidal rule and Simpson's 1/3 rule. The area by trapezoidal rule method used in earthwork is a vertical section. It is perpendicular to the center line and represents the boundaries of existing cut and fill. Moreover, there is no limitation for this method because it can be applied for any number of ordinate. Another method is a Simpson 1/3 rule, which is more simple and gives more accurate result. The boundary between the ordinate of Simpson rule is considered to be an arc of a parabola, and to apply this rule, the number of ordinate must be odd. After the calculation has been made, we get the area by using trapezoidal rule is 39,525 meters square, and by using the Simpson 1/3 rule, we get the 39,470 meters square. Therefore, by knowing the exact area of the site that needs to do the excavation, cut and fill, it can give benefit to the construction engineer for remove soil or rock from its natural location.